In the pursuit of a spotless home, the Eureka Powerspeed lightweight powerful upright vacuum cleaner emerges as a game changer. More than just a cleaning tool, it's a powerhouse designed to cater to all your cleaning needs. Let's dive into the features that make this vacuum stand out, transforming your cleaning routine into a breeze. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Eureka Powerspeed vacuum cleaner is not just a cleaner, but a partner in your quest for a cleaner home. Unleashing suction power, Eureka understands the value of a clean home, and the Powerspeed vacuum is a testament to that commitment. Boasting impressive suction power, this vacuum is your ally against dirt, pet hair, and debris. Equipped with 5 height adjustment settings, it seamlessly transitions between different surfaces, ensuring a deep clean on both hard floors and carpets. Lightweight marvel. Weighing in at a mere 10 pounds, the Powerspeed vacuum is a lightweight marvel. Easy to maneuver, it doesn't compromise on power. The portable design ensures that cleaning becomes a hassle-free experience. Say goodbye to bulky vacuums that make cleaning a chore. The Powerspeed vacuum is here to lighten your load. Efficient dust cup design. No one enjoys frequent interruptions during cleaning. The Powerspeed vacuum addresses this with an extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup. This bagless wonder minimizes the need for frequent emptying, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. With a filtration system featuring foam, it captures particles effectively, leaving your home refreshed. Perfect for pet owners. Pet owners rejoice. The Powerspeed vacuum comes with dedicated tools to combat pet hair. The Pet Turbo Tool, Crevice Tool, Dusting Brush, and Upholstery Tool ensure that no corner goes untouched. Conveniently stored on board, these accessories make above-floor cleaning and reaching tricky spots a breeze. Invest in a vacuum that understands your unique cleaning challenges. Easy maintenance for longevity. To maintain optimal performance, the Powerspeed vacuum provides a warning about potential clogs in the floor brush due to hairs and debris. Regular cleaning of the roller brush and belt is recommended every 2 weeks to prevent malfunction. This proactive approach ensures longevity, preventing issues like smoke and belt breakage in the long run. Conclusion: invest in excellence. The Eureka Powerspeed lightweight powerful upright vacuum cleaner is more than a cleaning appliance, it's an investment in excellence. From its powerful suction to the thoughtful pet-friendly accessories, every feature is designed with your convenience in mind. Don't settle for a mediocre vacuum. Choose the Powerspeed and experience the transformative power of efficient cleaning. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.